Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new course on Apache Maven. If you are a Java developer looking to master build automation, dependency management, and real-world project structuring, then this course is made just for you. By the end of this course, you won't just be using Maven, you will be mastering it the right way. Let's quickly explore what's inside this course and what makes it different from every other Maven tutorial out there. We begin with a solid introduction to Maven. What is Maven? Why is build automation so important? And how does Maven help solve the day-to-day challenges of managing Java projects? We'll set up everything from scratch, including Java 25 and Maven itself on a fresh Windows 11 machine. So even if you are just getting started, you will be up and running in no time. Then we dive deep into Maven fundamentals. You will create real Maven projects using both the command prompt and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. We explain the standard project structure, the pom.xml file, the resource folders, and of course Maven coordinates, group ID, artifact ID, and version. Everything is taught step by step with real examples, real commands, and real builds. Then comes the Maven build lifecycle. We won't just explain the theory, we show you the entire process live in IntelliJ IDEA. You will create Java apps, build Java files, and even run them from the terminal. Next up, dependencies and repositories. We'll explain what dependencies are, how Maven fetches them from local and remote repositories, and how transitive dependencies work behind the scenes. You will understand what scopes are and how to control what gets bundled, compiled, or excluded. After that, we explore Maven plugins, the true power behind any Maven project. We'll walk through essential plugins like the Clean plugin, Compiler plugin, Surefire plugin, Jar plugin, and more. Every plugin is explained with a demo, so you know exactly how it fits into your workflow. Once you have nailed the basics, we go even deeper into Maven's build lifecycle and execution phases. You will learn how to run each phase from inside IntelliJ, how Maven executes them in order, and how to skip or customize phases when needed. Then we take it to the next level with Maven build profiles. Imagine running different builds for development, testing, or production, all with a single command. That's the magic of profiles. We'll walk you through real examples and show you how to define, activate, and test your own profiles with different configurations. Then comes testing. You will learn how to integrate Maven with Junit, the most popular Java testing framework. You will write tests, run them through Maven, and even generate code coverage reports using the Jacoco plugin, all inside IntelliJ IDEA. And yes, all source code is available for you to download and experiment with. Then we move to web applications. You will install Apache Tomcat on Windows, create a full Maven web project, and deploy a Java servlet to the browser, end to end. This is one of the most exciting parts of the course. Next, we tackle multi-module Maven projects. You will learn how to break down complex applications into reusable modules like core, logic, utility, web, and admin. We'll explain everything in theory first, then build a real-world e-commerce project using a parent-child module structure. You will also learn how to connect modules as dependencies and build them all together like a pro. Finally, we wrap up with practical how-to guides like how to convert an existing Java project into a Maven project. Every lecture is designed to be beginner-friendly, yet complete enough for professionals. So if you are ready to master Apache Maven from scratch with modern tools and a clean structure, hit that enroll button and let's begin. See you inside